Life without aim is useless, aimless and pointless. Life is great blessing of God. It should be spent on a purpose, with certain aim. Otherwise, there will be no difference between the life of man and that of animals. Life as olden times was simple. Man had to hunt for food, nothing more. But now is a different time. We have new challenges to meet. We have new problems to solve. So, one should be ready for all these things. One can face life and its problems with a plan. Without a plan, life would be different to lead. I want to become a teacher. The question is why so? There are many other professions. One can be a doctor, earning a lot of rupees daily. One can be an engineer, getting thousands of rupees as salary. One can be a shopkeeper earning lots of profits. One can also be a trader, selling things and earning lots of profits. Why then a teacher? I want to become a teacher because I love this profession. Not only that I love it, but also for its greatness. I know teachers in our country are low paid. I also know that people don't think this profession is great one. They think that teachers are merely teacher, with no high status in life. I admit, teachers are not given proper status in our society. But, all the same, I like this profession. I think teaching is the highest job to do. It is because teachers bring light of knowledge in the lives of the people. They take them out of ignorance. They teach them good values. This is what I think, I believe. In my opinion, a poor literate man is better than an illiterate rich man. So, that is why I want to be a teacher. This is my aim in life.